Between the Sierra snowpack, the rounds of rain, and the persistent stretches of cold air, it was quite a winter in Northern California.
Yes, it was. As meteorologist Heather Waldman explains, some East Coast cities also had a remarkable season, but for the exact opposite reasons.
It's hard to tell if a winter was bad or good because depending on who you ask, you'll likely get very different answers. But there are some ways to scientifically track the intensity of a winter season. This map shows what's called the Accumulated Winter Season Severity Index. It's developed by researchers at Purdue University, and it tracks things like snow and the intensity and duration of cold air patterns to track the intensity of a winter relative to the average for a certain place. Now, these purple icons you see dotted throughout the West, those represent the most severe winters. And according to this data set, Tahoe City, that spot right there, is currently experiencing or did experience its second most severe winter on record, behind only the 1951 and 52 season. That was the season that brought more than 800 inches of snow to the Central Sierra Snow Lab site. And if you look at temperatures for South Lake Tahoe, you can see that much of December, January, and February were colder than average. Each one of these bars represents the daily temperature, the lows and the highs. So where you see that dipping into that blue area, that's where temperatures were much cooler than average. Now, that was most places in the western U.S., but if you look east of the Mississippi, back here to this map, these red dots represent incredibly mild winters. Let's check out some of the snow numbers here. Philadelphia, only 0.3 of an inch of snow since October 1st. Washington, D.C., just 1/10 of an inch more. And you compare that to the average, they should be closer to 2 feet by this point in the season. Also, a lot of spots in New England, getting into the Midwest, that were well below average with their snowfall as well. And speaking of D.C., the cherry blossom trees in the tidal basin there officially reached their peak today, a result of what's also been a very mild winter in addition to a snowless winter. Here's that same temperature graph. This is for the National Arboretum in D.C., where you can see these daily temperature bars easily reaching into that red area, representing where temperatures were well above the normal. And speaking of that spring bloom, this map here, put together by the National Phenology Network. It tracks the yearly return of spring, if you will, looking for where blooms have returned and when. Anywhere here in red represents those blooms returning weeks ahead of schedule, in some cases 2 to 3 weeks ahead of what's typical. And here in the southwestern states, those blue areas representing where spring is a bit behind schedule. And of course, we're feeling that here in Northern California. This cool air pattern is going to hang on for a little bit longer too.